In this problem, we'll solve a system of equations using the substitution method. We'll solve the system y equals 6 minus x and 2x minus 3y equals 22. In the substitution method, we will solve one equation for one variable and use the expression in terms of the second variable to substitute in the other equation. In the first equation is already solved for y. This means that in this system, y is the same thing as 6 minus x. So in the second system, whenever I see a y, I can substitute 6 minus x. I want to use parentheses when I substitute in order to get things clear and not make any mistakes. So I have 2x minus 3 times, instead of y, I'm going to write 6 minus x. And that equals 22. Simplify. Notice here I have an equation with just x in it, so I'll be able to solve for x. I have 2x minus 3 times 6 would be minus 18. Minus 3 times the opposite of x, so that would be plus 3x. That equals 22. Combining like terms, I have 5x minus 18 equals 22. And adding 18 to both sides, I have 5x equals 40. Dividing both sides by 5, I have x equals 8. Now, don't stop here. It's tempting to stop here because we found something for x. But to solve the system, we need to have x and y. We need an ordered pair. So now that I know x is 8, and I know from here that y equals 6 minus x, I know that y has to equal 6 minus 8, or y has to equal negative 2. So now I have an ordered pair, 8, negative 2. In order to be sure that I have the right answer, I would substitute this ordered pair in the first equation and in the second and make sure they were both true. If they're both true, I know I have the solution to the system, and I would write that the solution is 8, negative 2.